And we're back on this beautifully cloudy day with the X5. Why? Because we have to take her to the dealership again for the same issue we had before. But just to go around, you guys see that right there? We got our calipers painted. Now they actually look like the M calipers that it has, right? But anyway, it's been like a rainy, cloudy last 2 weeks. We've had torrential downpours, whatever, but in the last 2 or 3 rainstorms, not even just regular rain, this car started leaking water again into the cabin. Now, if you remember from my last video, I took it into BMW. They charged me $210 and they cleaned the sunroof drains, right? Which they come out from here and they come out from here. Now, a little dirt on that. No! Just gonna get right. So they clean the sunroof drains, and that was 3,000 miles ago. I took it in at 46,000 miles. Now we have 49,140. It's been less than 2 months, and it's already dumping water again. But also, if you guys notice, it's bone dry out here, right? There's water here and here, and there's some lines over here of dry water spots. That's because there's still remnants of water because it was dripping from down here. So I don't know what happened. I know the drain's draining because look, there's water coming out of it still. But again, it's bone dry. So I don't know what's going on. People are saying that if the cleaning the rails doesn't fix it, then it's the actual sunroof seal. But I'll include a video of it right now. So it's Saturday the 16th, and car's leaking water. As you can see, it's dripping again. So as you guys saw, water's coming from here. This time it's only from here and not from there. But also this time it's coming from there, which is not good. Especially since they cleaned it 3,000 miles ago. I was actually driving around the other day and I had a towel on my lap so my lap wouldn't get a blotch of piss water right on it again. But it can be a little frustrating to drive around and have your lap covered in water or dripping on your arm or your head or wherever it's going. So we're going to take her back into BMW, drop her off, see how long they take to fix the car, because it's kind of annoying. I don't like going to work with wet pants that look like I pissed myself. It's not fun. And we'll see what they say this time. So remember, the first time, 3,000 miles ago, they charged me $200 to diagnose it. They diagnosed it, and they said they fixed it, and it was fine. But in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, started doing it again, and I finally had time to take it in. So honestly, it only lasted a month and 5 weeks before it started doing it, which is a problem. I don't blame the dealership. They gotta go through their checklist. But there's something more to it if it's just still leaking. If it can't handle a little water. We're back on this beautiful day with the X5, and the sunroof is all fixed. No more leaks, no more water dripping on my pants. She's all good. Also, if you guys like the audio, I'm using this new Rode wireless mic. Let me know how you guys like it. And if you want to buy one, click the link in the description. That's why the audio sounds different from the first part of this video. But it's all fixed. Now, let me show you guys what was actually wrong. So I took it in the first time, like I said, and they said they cleaned the drains, and that was what they thought would be the problem. Well, it didn't help. Next time we got a rainstorm, it leaked again. So this seal right here, this one right here, it actually comes out, not the edge seal, this inner seal right here. Water was getting past it, and they said it's $450 to replace it. Not covered under CPO, not covered under the BMW extended warranty that I bought. So I called the BMW extended warranty, and I'm like, why aren't you guys covering it? It's not on the list of exclusions. And they said, well, it's a wear and tear item and blah, blah, blah. We can't cover it. But the guy was nice enough to tell me, hey, look, this actually happens so often. I just recommend you replace it yourself. This part number is $85, and you can do it in 5 minutes. So I bought it. I think it was $100. It was $85 plus $12 shipping. But I bought it. I installed it. You'll see that right now. So sorry for the lighting, guys, but the part did come in. As you can see, this is the rubber seal. So we're gonna climb up here. Try to hold the camera while we do it. So this is the seal, as you guys can see. And as you can see, if you just follow the gasket, it comes out over here. And then there's like a bunch of dirt collecting over here. It's not uniform at all. I can lower this for you guys so you guys can see. Right there, it's not uniform. There's a lot of dirt collecting in there. And I think it's getting past that. So all you should have to do, and you can see the water getting past it already. All you should have to do is just grab this from this corner and look at that. Just comes right out. Just put that down there for a second. And if you look past it, I have the flash on. You can see there's water. Water's made it past. And there's a bunch of dirt. So this should be easy enough. Just grab this seal, and then all you have to do is just press it into place on the clip over there. So might be a little too hard to do one-handed, but I'll come back when it's installed. And just like that, about a minute and a half later, the seal is in. Let's test it out. Boom. All done. It's a little like dirty down there, so your hands might get dirty, but total tops like 3 minutes. Pulling the old one out, installing the new one. Easy fix. As you guys saw, I bought it, I installed it. It actually hooked up perfectly well. It's been 2 weeks since I put it together, and it's been fine. No leaks, no water dripping on me, no problems. So another easy fix. We're at 50,000 miles now. Again, not happy I had to pay $100 to get it fixed, but hey, they didn't charge me another diagnostic fee. They didn't charge me anything, and I got a loaner for 3 days, which I got to make a video out of. So I can't really complain, but link is in the description for the microphone. I'll also link the part number. You have to order it from BMW. I can't find it on Amazon or anything like that, but if you guys want to buy the part, let me know. And I'll link the part number in the description for you guys, but let me know how you guys like the audio. Thank you guys for tuning in.